XRP has been going through a crazy April, which has investors and analysts interested. But why the sudden rise? Is it just another pump, or is there something more serious going on? Some of the most important people in the crypto space are now paying close attention to XRP, and Michael Saylor's strong stance on Bitcoin stands out. When someone who is so connected to Bitcoin starts talking about XRP, it's hard to avoid them. But why would someone who is so connected to XRP be interested in it? The answer might surprise you. For years. It's no secret that XRP has been a controversial player in the cryptocurrency market. While it hasn't gotten as much attention as Bitcoin or Ethereum, it has been gaining steam, especially in the last few months. As April goes on, XRP's price and trade volume are going through the roof. With big names like Michael Saylor speaking out, it's becoming clear that something big is going on behind the scenes. Saylor recently talked about XRP in a way that many people wouldn't have thought he would, given how much he loves Bitcoin. People are now wondering what will happen to XRP in the future, and if this month's price increase is a sign of things to come. Some think that institutional investors are starting to see potential in XRP, possibly as a way to protect themselves from Bitcoin's volatility or as a way to connect to global payments. Some people point to the current fight between Ripple Labs and to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). They said that a positive outcome for Ripple could cause the value of XRP to skyrocket. With Michael Saylor's newfound interest in XRP, this shifting dynamic might be reflected in his ideas, which could help us figure out what is driving XRP's price higher. This isn't just about a coin going up in price, it's about a bigger change in how the crypto market sees XRP. Michael Saylor's attention signal is the beginning of a new era for XRP. This is the moment when the coin finally moves on from its troubled past and earns the respect it deserves in the crypto community as a whole. Today we'll look at all the reasons why XRP is going through the roof this April, with a focus on about Michael Saylor's part in the talk. March and April have been great months for XRP. In the last few weeks, the price and trading volume of the coin have both gone up. If you look at the charts, you can see that XRP's value has gone up compared to the previous months. These gains aren't small either. XRP has seen a lot of people in the crypto community are surprised by the big jump in price, which comes after months of pretty flat performance. XRP had been stuck in a holding pattern, with its price bouncing around a certain range and failing to break out. But now we're seeing a breakout, and it's clear that something has changed. With XRP isn't moving by itself. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most important cryptocurrencies, are also going up and down, but XRP seems to have found its own pace. What makes XRP unique this time? One thing to look at is the number of trades. Usually when a coin starts to get more attention, the number of trades goes up too, and that's exactly what happened with XRP. It's not just individual investors who are interested in XRP. Institutional players are also becoming more involved. In the past, institutional players were hesitant to get involved because of legal uncertainty, but it looks like that's starting to change. The rise in the price of XRP in April could be a sign of this new trust among institutions, which is another important. The ongoing legal fight between Ripple and the SEC is one of the reasons why XRP is going up. It's been a long process, but there have been developments in the case that could mean good things for Ripple Labs. If Ripple wins or even just gets a good settlement, big investors might be able to put money into XRP without worrying about regulators. Things that were bothering them. A lot of people are keeping an eye on that, and it could be one of the main reasons why XRP has been going up so strongly. With all of these factors at play, an increase in trade volume, a rise in institutional interest, and the chance of good legal outcomes, XRP has been going up so strongly. The rise in XRP prices this April doesn't seem to be a one-time thing. I see more going on here, and this rise might keep going if things keep going the way they are. Keep it steady. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy and one of the loudest supporters of Bitcoin, has been known for a long time as a Bitcoin maximalist. His company has made news for buying a lot of Bitcoin, and Saylor has often said that Bitcoin is the future of money. When someone like him talks about XRP, the crypto community takes notice right away. It's not often that a supporter of Bitcoin shows interest in a coin that has been both praised and attacked. Some people are surprised by Saylor's recent comments about XRP. He's still very committed to Bitcoin, but he started to see the promise in other cryptocurrencies, digital goods, especially XRP, in recent statements and interviews. Saylor has talked about how interested he is in XRP growing, especially when it comes to its use as a cross-border payment solution. He has said that XRP could play a key role in the future of finance by acting as a bridge currency for moving money between networks. For someone who has been interested in Bitcoin for a long time, more and more people are becoming interested in XRP, which could be because the coin is becoming more useful in the real world. XRP is meant to make international transactions faster and cheaper, which is why it's been gaining popularity with banks and payment providers. Different groups are looking to blockchain for answers. The part that XRP plays in global payments could grow. Michael Saylor, who knows a lot about money, probably sees the long-term value in that. Another thing that might be affecting his view is the fact that regulations for XRP have been changing for years. XRP is in a legal fight with the SEC that has its future was uncertain, but as the case goes on, there are more and more signs that Ripple might win. If the legal cloud over XRP lifts, it could open up a lot of new possibilities for the coin, especially among institutional investors who have been waiting for more regulations. Clarity Saylor is a forward-thinking investor, so they probably see this as a chance. Shift the game. Michael Saylor is always looking at the bigger picture, so it makes sense that he would start to think about XRP's place in the changing world of digital assets. While Bitcoin is still his main focus, it's clear that he sees value in other projects like XRP that are solving real-world problems. Not only could this change in view have a big effect on XRP's future, depends on how the broader crypto market starts to see coins besides Bitcoin. What does this mean for XRP's price and adoption in the future? Does Michael Saylor's support signal a larger institutional shift toward XRP? Let's look at the bigger market and what might be causing all this attention to fully understand why. Since XRP is going up so much in April, we need to take a step back and look at the market and regulatory situation as a whole. Cryptocurrency prices have always been all over the place, and the market moves in unpredictable ways. However, there are a few major events that could cause XRP to rise this month. The first is the ongoing legal fight between Ripple Labs and the US stock market and exchange commission.